Good morning, everybody. Yeah, as you can see, I've got my hands on a Tarkir Dragonstorm Collector Boosters box. Today, or rather yesterday, is the pre-release day for this nice little set, Dragonstorm. And yeah, what can I say? We've had our pre-release in our store and it was just bonkers. It was like the highest number of participants for the, I think, for the last 3 or 4 or 5 years. Very, very nice. It's a really, really strong set and very much fun to play. So it's also one of the magic sets. It's not a meme set, it's not a fun set, it's not a space set or such. It's a magic set. And this, yeah, you feel it in the store. The people had once again fun to play. So this one goes to a good magic set. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what we can get. So we have our 6 and 6 packs. So 12 overall, like always. And we're starting with the left side. So this box is from Japan. So we do have our setup the other way around. It's the token, afterwards comes the rares and mythics and so on. And only afterwards comes the normal ones. So Warden of the Grove in foil black art. I don't know how this art is called, but that's a good card. We've got a Baron Step Siege. They are looking stunning, as you can see it here. Quality is rather good, like we already know from the Japanese printings and cuttings. So the border and so on, everything is really crisp, really clean. Yeah, they do have the quality control in control. Naga Fleshcrafter, good copy card. Very, very good copy card. Full art Wheel of the Temur. Nice. And the Kishla Village. That's one of the 5 lands, and I think it's a really, really strong one because Surveil, there are so much variations. Nice island. There's so much variation for the Graveyard Love decks. That's really, really good. Karakuk Guardian and Armament Dragon. It's a really, really nice border that we've got here. And another one. Cool. Luxon Battle Priest. The Dragonstorm Globe. Nice. This one is really strong, actually. 3 for a full mana, and each dragon gets another 1/1. Strong. Nice. Like it. So, spoiler season was off the roofs, but still haven't seen many of the cards yet. Jeskai Revelation. Oh, nice. Tiger. 2 mythics back to back. Jeskai Revelation and foiled. Tigram. This was really strong card, and it works, for example, with the flashback cards. Just coming back. CDC. Nice. Another mythic. So Philothar, that's the face command, I think. Dragonfire. And a normal island. Full art. Dirigo Island Dragon with Omen. Omen was also rather fun to play with, to be honest. So the idea of getting a card as a secondary card and having to shuffle it into your library, to be honest, it's a good way to play. So you have to choose whether you get the not very strong variation. So, nice card. Flameblind, Grabbler, Marang. And yeah, in shuffling it back into your library, you have to really know what you're doing. Whether you want the fast way to cast something or whether you want the big card. It's a little bit better or nerfed version, I think, from the adventures. Because there you get a card, you can play 2 cards in a row. This one is definitely a nerfed version. And I think it's a good one. Birdie. Sage of the Skies. Stadium Headliner. This one was cool. Strong card. Hurt Heirloom. 1 mana. Yeah, the issue only with this full black card here is you don't exactly see directly on the battlefield what color it is, and not all people can directly see the mana symbols. So yeah, that's maybe the only backlash that you can get for this. But the card themselves, they look really nice. Reunion of the House, one of the commander cards. Any number of creature cards to the battlefield, very nice. Oh nice, another mythic, Stormskull Scion. And one of the, is this one of the Isle cards? No, it's not it. It's just one of the dragon cards. And some of the dragons. Yeah, what I meant is you can get a rather big normal dragon, or you can counter target spell and shuffle it back. So depending on the board state, you can go for either. That's a very nice thing. And yeah, the people are used currently to, for example, the adventures, but this way I think it's a little bit better, simple. So, rediscover the way. So the full arts, the card, the land that will be played in CDH more than often, because next ability cast can't be countered. This is really strong in CDH. Very good. Ishki Dragonclaw. Nice. Will of the Sultai. Sinkhole Surveyor. And the plains. The Encroaching Dragonstorm back to back. Why not? And a Jungle Claw. So let's see. We've got a copy. The Great Arashkin City. Black one. Nice. Full art. Death Begets Life. Nice. This one also looks very good, very strong. Dragonfire Blade. Full art or super art, alt art, don't know. Transforming Flourish, one of the commander cards. Ureni, another mythic. Another Dragonland, but not Dragon Island. Interestingly enough, I thought there should or would be more of these Dragon Islands here, but seems that's not the case. Oh well. You've got a warrior. Oh nice. I don't know which one it is, but it looks nice. Oh, this should be Dragonstorm. To red 6. Not Dragonstorm, the Dracogenesis. This should be. Have to look this up later, but this looks very nice. That's a good card. Kishla Village. Sage of the Skies. This nice one. Become the Avalanche. Thunder of Unity. Normal card. And a normal dragon. Normal land. Normal full art. Super arts. Japanese Dracogenesis. Very nice. It's not a Halo foil, it's a normal foil, so don't have to show it to you extensively. But it looks really good. Surak. Inevitable Defeat. Those go over there. Revival of the Ancestors. Should be theoretically one of these, but oh well. Teval's Judgment. Good card. Still in motion. We have here. And first, not yet one of the islands. Interesting. Don't really know what is up with this collector set. Inscripted Ultimatum. Okay. This one is one of the special guest cards. Looks good, looks nice. Maru Siegebreaker, yet another Road Watcher. Interesting. We've got a Will of the Jeskai. Looks good. Looks as a good card here. And not yet one. I don't exactly know how much of the land cards. Currently I just want to see one. Interesting. Got a Spirit. Clarion Conqueror. The red one. Oh yes. Yes. Goes here. Quarry Mountain. Full art. Rindcrack Siege. This is a strong card, I think. Bentor. That's a good one. Blessed Prowl. Oh, there it is. And it's a non-foil. Interesting. So this is one of the eye cards I also thought they would only come in foil, but it seems this one takes a non-foil spot. Yeah, looks nice. I think the Black Dragon has smoked some good stuff because all the veins here. Interesting card. Okay. It seems these lands are super rare even in collector boxes. Yeah. A Liquor Dragon tokens also nice. Didn't know this existed. Oh nice. We've got a Crater Hoof and a Surak. The Crater Hoof in this artwork looks very, very cool. It's a nice card. Surak. Zenith Festival. Curry Steel. And a normal land once again. So let's put it this. Feral Death Gorgar. Nice one. And the last pack. Let's see what we can pull. Currently no Mythic, no Elspeth, no Mox. But all the other Mythics, Stillness in Motion. We've got Ambling Stormshell. Rediscover the Way. And a Voracious Bibliophile. And the second one. Interesting. Here it is in foil, okay. So, just for your comparison. If you can see it. The foiling in these Japanese arts is not exactly very strong. It's more subtle and it gets more of a shimmer with that. So I personally like this way of foiling way better than the metally feeling and look of the American ones, or even the Belgian ones are stronger, but that depends on your way, what you like. Hardened Scale. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't put Hardened Scales inside. This would have fit. So let's see. We've got Crater Hoof, the Bentor, that's one of the face commanders, the Inspired Ultimatum. This one is a really strong one. Death Begets Life. The Stormscale Scion is a good one. Tiger and the Jeskai Revelation. So as far as I think from the value, this pack didn't put much punch inside, but the cards themselves are really, really nice. Stillness in Motion, the Ambling, Yatan Matu Siegebreaker, no, another Yatan, I think this one goes down. Surak, Sage of the Skies several times, Flamehold Grappler, it's a good one. This creature enters, I've got to say DC. This one I think is really, really strong. Because copy effect with harmonized copy effect, yeah, you can just go bonkers with that. Voracious Bibliophile, because it's both on more targets, draw that many cards. This is strong. This is very, very strong. In a Spellslinger deck, you'll get all your cards that you need. Quarry Mountain, Clarion Conqueror. This one is, yeah, stacks in white for artifacts, creatures. Nice. And Planeswalkers. We've got a Wheel of the Jeskai. We've got Teva's Judgment, draw a card, create a treasure, and create a black zombie. Ooh, nice. This is strong. Become the Avalanche, draw a card for each creature, Kishla Village, Transforming Flourish, Demonstrate, okay, and destroy target artifact or creature you don't control. Destroy this way, it's good. Ta-da! And then they may cast that card without paying its mana cost. Interesting. Another Chaos Warp a little bit. Will of the Sultai. Target player mills the cards. Put X1 counters on it. And if you control command, I can do both. Oh, strong. Mistress Village. We like it. Marang River. Will of the Temo once again. And the Siege. Nice cards. Nice cards. Quarry Steel, Mardo, Dragonfire, and the Kishla Village. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.